Hello everybody, and today I'd like to tell you about a little history of the world. Chapter 4. Sunday, Monday. So, to begin with, there are 7 days of a week. There are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But do you know where they were invented from? We think so little of them. We just know that they're the days of the months. It was made in Mesopotamia. They were made in Mesopotamia, where there were Babylonians and Assyrians, I think. Yeah. So the Babylonians' capital city was Babylon, easy enough to remember, and the other one was Nineveh or something for the Assyrians. That was the second biggest city. So they wrote in cuneiform, which they wrote on tablets. So they write like on clay, like on pieces of clay, which are small tablets. And they also like to study the stars and give them really different names. For example, that one was astrology, and the Greek name for it is astrology, and I'm sure you've heard of it. And they believe there's a sort of strange music behind it. So they gave all of the planets and the stars names. And for example, Mars equals war, Venus is love, and there's different ones. So that's why our days of the week are like that. For example, Saturday, it's Saturn, but in like England we call it Saturday. And in also Sunday, and moon, Monday, moon day, Monday. Yeah, and also, so you might think it's very weird to have these because they're very different. Because I don't think you've ever thought of that. The days of the week had very different ones, like had lots of different names. And so in this chapter we studied about the days of the week and how they originated from. And that's all for today. Bye bye.